Alright guys, so I'm working on a Kohler lawnmower, and it's a gravity-fed fuel pump, or sorry, fuel tank. First thing we did, we took starter fluid, sprayed it inside the carburetor, and it did start up for a few seconds, of course. So then we had to check fuel delivery issues. So it's getting sparking combustion, but it's not getting the proper fuel. So disconnected the lines and drained out some of the fuel, and if you can see, there is separation in the fuel and probably water and all that sediment. So what we're going to end up doing is changing out the fuel filter and adding new fuel to it, because this tractor hasn't been started up this season. It's been about a year since it's been started up. So culprit's probably going to be bad fuel. So we already drained out all the fuel. We're going to put new fuel in it and see if it starts up. Easy fix, hopefully. And yeah, I'll let you know if this works.